Wait lang, di pa ka nalaloading.
Tara mo. Budag. Uy.
Itay mo ko.
Putek na. Dalihan mo na, ulan.
Hello guys, welcome to my another video. So, this is my friend Khalil. Talk.
La.
Talk.
Hello guys, this is me, Josh Colin.
He's 6, I'm 7.
It's like 6, 7.
Yes. So, we're
Sakay ka sa akin.
Sige. So, bro, why did you lock the doors? Yeah. We're now doing today, which is play together.
Oh my god.
This is my brother. My brother,
Is the stupid.
bro, my brother is in,
This is the zombie apocalypse.
yeah.
So
We're gonna
many-
play Zombie Apocalypse.
with cars.
Yeah.
Drifting.
Wait,
Nasaan na ba yung mga zombie?
I don't know.
Ko yan.
I don't know.
Babush ka!
Ew.
Kamadire. Dahil magdi-drift tayo. Para wanna pop.
Really sure. Hello guys, I need to be sorry for muting.
Oh, perfect landing! Ayos ka lang dyan, tol.
Yeah.
Ayos ka lang dyan, my friend.
Yeah.
Kung kumapit ka mabuti, ah. Mabibilisan ko na.
And he's playing on my iPad and I'm playing in my phone. So this is a 1-hour video. So
Oy,
enjoy it
kumapit ka mabuti.
and enjoy it.
Kumapit ka mabuti, my friend. Uy. Dami zombie. Uy.
Oy, chill. Oy, chill.
Teka lang, huwag ka malikot, marami dito zombie.
So we are doing some Roblox video. So
Kamalikot, dito na tayo sa Andito na tayo.
I'm going to play Grow a Garden.
Mamaya, ah. Pag hindi mo makuha yung epic, ito naman na ulit. Alis kayo!
Pew! Dalalag na ako eh. Dalalag na ako.
Super speed! Kamalikot, my friend! Huwag kamalikot!
Ah!
Kamalikot na, magdi-drift tayo. Babalik tayo, gusto mo?
Yeah.
Matapang ka naman eh.
Di ako takpan.
Babalik tayo,
3,000.
Babalik tayo.
Yeah! Oh, sorry, I forgot. We're recording.
We are recording. Don't chill, bro. Just chill. First person view ka. First person view.
Nalalag ko.
Okay. Wait pa, wag ka malikot ha. Bibilisan natin to. Wag ka malikot.
So,
Sobrang tuloy na nito. Fortnite.
so we're
Lalaro kang Fortnite?
Yeah.
Ako rin.
Wala ko pera sa pera.
Ah! Sobrang tulid!
Dapat tayo mga zombie.
Oo.
Dapat tayo may switch.
Ayun, oo.
Can we switch? Can we switch?
Kasi ito kasi maganda kasi ito eh.
Ako nalalag eh. Gawin ako.
Uy!
Join ako ng Grow Garden ah.
O sige, magpalit tayo. Sige. Diyan sa ikaw grow garden ako ganito ah. Oh my god, I'm
Bro,
stuck.
why did you do that?
Bro, I'm stuck. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm stuck, bro.
So, try to grow a garden and still a brain not modded. I don't have that much or and I literally got a secret lucky block in one lucky block. Find the lucky block, yeah. I mean, find the brain rot. I literally got it in my old classes. So, if you wanna, if I wanna face reveal, just hit the like and subscribe. We're gonna reach,
Yes. Just like and subscribe.
yeah. If we reach 100k,
Wala. If you reach 100 subscribers,
we will face reveal.
yes, we are Facebook. I'm gangster. Gangster. Where is my shop? Where's? There we go. There we go. Park natin pa.
Grow a garden.
Exit. Wow, this is so cool, bro.
Grow.
More. Let's open na. Ibili akong bagong motor, ah. No, Rambo. Saway mo nga yun. Sige.
Literally is talking to my pet, Siggy. Well, by the way, in Filipinos.
Yeah, bakit tayo?
I don't know.
Singing! Jupal, alam mo na kung anong gagawin. Help. Yun na to.
Come on, by the way, in grow a garden. By the way.
Wala akong mabilihan. Ang mamahal. Ang mamahal.
Yeah, there's a new seed. Where? Tiffany seed.
Ano, Robux? 459?
479. If you're watching this YouTuber, just go buy it.
Yes, just go buy it.
Yeah. If you have 1,000. No, 1 million.
May nags na ako.
Bruh!
Style na para
See,
mag...
I want
Para mag-content na tayo.
By the way, my game's so lucky.
Come here, car. It's time to drive.
By the way, not say anything.
Oy, bakit may truck?
Literally,
Trespassing yan.
I'm literally playing Grow a Garden. I'm literally playing
If you want it, go join us.
Yeah.
Go join us.
Yeah. Add
You
us.
want-
Yeah, add us. Add us.
My name is Josh Calderas Villamar and she is...
And me is Jake Paul S. Brianga. My school is UCCP, Adam Christian School. And I'm seven.
Nangangagat nito mga tao. Then nakakapag-drive pa rin.
Yeah. He's literally playing on my alt account. I think I create that in 1980. I think I create that.
Nagkagat ako ng zombie.
Maybe I create that in maybe I don't know. So I'm going to a garden. If you wanna,
Join us.
yeah,
Just invite me.
yeah,
Just invite us.
yeah. Just and add us. Yeah. My name, his name in Roblox, his name is BP67. And my name is no, LOLL 99191. Yeah. By the way, click on my iPad.
80 part lang.
The motorcycle is actually
Okay.
done.
Yan, actually parking.
Bro, why do you take it?
Kakagatin ko lahat ng andito. I'm actually a zombie.
Yeah.
Kakagatin ko lahat ng mga tao. Ayoko sumakay sa'yo.
By the way,
Oh, nom.
Philippines.
So,
Sorry about that.
Zombie na siya.
And literally,
Yo,
bro,
you wanna buy?
This thing is literally by the way floating. How is this plane? Bro.
I have a friend zombie too.
Comment down below who's your friend.
Hey, sumunod kayo sa akin.
If you wanna
Make-up.
If you wanna be a subscriber, go to our
videos.
yeah.
Soon.
1 million? Bro, I literally buy it because I have infinite. Woo, it's gonna be rich. I'm gonna be rich.
I'm gonna eat you. You are zombie.
So by the way, Kyle.
Dami ko ng kinakagat ah.
By the way,
Ay,
I'm
eto pa pala. Hello my friend. Karakter lang ako pero sinakain kita. Binabala kita mag-zombie.
Di ako yan. Character ko yan. Di ko yan character. Di ako yan. Ako yan to. That's by the way not my account. That's my cousin. Tomatoes.
Tomatos.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bro!
I'm a zombie.
Sino ba?
I don't like it. Bata.
This
Open.
by the way. Well, by the this house is comment down below who's your favorite YouTuber. Us or Kayla's Vlogs. Comment below who's your favorite. Yeah.
Nakatakas siya. Kailangan ko siya habulin. Para makagat ko ang kanyang matamis ng...
Hindi tayo ng ano.
Wait lang. Mag-amaze ka muna dito. 1, 2, 3. Ay! Hindi tayo amaze ha. Kailangan ma-amaze ka talaga dito. Kailangan ma-amaze ka dito. Nag-drift. 99 nights. Mamaya ito ulit ha, kasi ganda na ito eh. Sakay ka sa akin ha.
Bro, we're still recording. Bro, we're still recording.